Hello everyone, my name is Pros. Today I will show you how to connect LG AC Smart Diagnosis. You can see the app on the air conditioner indoor unit, have the mobile phone and plus a symbol we call Smart Diagnosis. So I will show you how to install the app and how to connect with the app to machine. This app is important about how to check error code on machine, how to check operation of machine good or not. Yes, we can check detail on the app. Okay, right now I already install the application on mobile phone. So this application you can download by Play Store or App Store for iOS, iPhone and Android. Yes. Okay, so start, we press on the app. Yes, this is the first page of Smart Diagnosis app. So we have a stand AC and wall mount AC. So that's aircon is wall mount AC. We already connect and okay, now we start how to connect. First we press the receive button on the app, and then it show the left time 60 seconds to 0. So during that time we need to press a button on remote control. Yes, so this is remote control, this one room temp and below one, so diagnosis 5 seconds. Okay, so we press this one 5 seconds on machine. Press and hold. Okay, again. Again. Okay, sound ping. Okay, now the app already synchronized with the sound from aircon. Okay, right now the aircon already transfer information operation to this app. Okay, so we can check detail. I show you diagnosis time 8 August 2021. Yes, time 4 p.m. and then error code no more operation. Yes, if the aircon have error code, it will show like a CX05, CX10 like that. So you can click and check error code detail. You can see how to fix like that. Okay, so now this aircon no problem, it no more operation. Okay, let's continue. You can check indoor information. Okay, now continue about it show about indoor information. Yes, indoor information, intake air temperature. This is mean room temperature that going to our aircon, intake air, go back. So now 28. So continue mid-joule pie temperature. That means indoor have a evaporator. So we have the sensor inside evaporator. Standard is 10, now 10.5. So sometimes it going up 5 degree, 15, and sometimes it go down 5 degree, 5 degrees. So standard 10, it can be 15 or 5. It depends on season, hot or cold. So that is good data. And then operation mode, yes, cool. We no more we use cool, and you can see on remote star symbol. Yes, that is cool mood. And fan speed, we select medium low. Yes. Okay, continue. Outdoor unit information. Intake air. Yes, outdoor condenser intake air 33.5 degree. So it depends on ambient temperature of outdoor unit. And mid of high temperature of condenser, normally standard 45, and it can be increased 10 degree, 55, and it can be going down 10 degrees or so, around 35 degrees. So now it's good data. And compressor discharge, that means a sensor of discharge pi of compressor, standard is 75, now 77, it's good. It can be going up 10 degree, 85, and going down 10 degree or so. It can be around 60, yeah, or 65. And this is a frequency of compressor. It can be changed to high speed and low speed, medium speed. Yeah. And then EEV pool, that means outdoor unit, no use EEV, so it shows 0. And fan shows 0, that means outdoor unit not use BLDC or DC fan motor. This is 0, it means use AC motor. Yeah. And below one, important also, input voltage. So standard 220 voltage or 240, that's good. Now it a little bit low, but it can use no more, no problem. And this one, input current, that means your aircon use the current now 3.6 ampere, yes, current. So that is customer or technician can check your aircon operation no more or up no more for the data standard, or something you can check by yourself. Yes, that is a good point for LG Smart and Noisy. And one more, you can export report. This one, if you capture, you have 2 capture, but export all together. You can write down model, yes, simple. You fill for column. After that, you click export. Yeah, it go into the gallery picture. You can go to picture. Yeah, this one. Okay, this data coming on. Yeah. After that, you can send this data to service center for checking for you it's good or not. They will explain more detail, or you can ask or comment on my channel also. Okay, this is for how to connect LG Smart Sync Q with air conditioner, room air conditioner. Thank you. Please subscribe and like this video.